Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zip file on your mobile device. Compressing files is a fantastic way to save storage space and organize your documents. It also makes sharing multiple items much simpler, as you can send them all in one neat package. We'll cover the easy steps for both Android and iOS, so you can quickly master this useful skill. Get ready to streamline your mobile file management. For Android users, start by opening your preferred file manager app like Files by Google or your phone's built-in manager. Navigate to the items you want to zip. Long press on a file or folder to select it, then select any other items. Look for a More option, often represented by 3 vertical dots, and choose Compress or Create Zip File. Your new zip archive will appear in the same location. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, the process is just as straightforward using the built-in Files app. Open Files and browse to the location of your desired items. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, then select Select. Choose all the files and folders you wish to include. Once selected, tap the 3 dots again at the bottom right and choose Compress. A new zip file will be created. So, why bother zipping files? Primarily, it reduces their overall size, making them quicker to upload, download, and share, especially over slower connections. It also keeps related documents, photos, or videos neatly bundled together in one convenient package. Unzipping is usually just a tap away on most modern mobile devices, making this a truly efficient way to manage your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.